guys, today we are going to make sabudana bora on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started with the ingredients. 1 cup of sabudana. Before using, we soaked this in water for 2 hours and then drained out the water. 3 peeled potatoes. 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Chopped green chilies to taste. 1/4 cup of rice flour. Red chili powder to taste. 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. And salt to taste. Firstly, we're going to grate our potatoes in the small one, like this size, the most smallest one. And just simply grate it. Once finished grating, we're going to squeeze out the water or the juice of the potato, whatever you like to call it. And then you're going to do the rest. Make sure you get the water out as best as you can, so it's completely dry. Now you're just going to throw away the potato water. Now, with our potato that we just grated and squeezed out the water of it, we're adding our chopped onions, coriander leaves, green chilies, your salt, and just mixing your salt as first, just so it just spreads everywhere. Now you're adding in your sabudana. Could be found in any supermarket. And now you're adding in your rice flour. And your spices. And then mix all those ingredients together. Make sure they're well combined. So once combined, you're going to get like a medium-sized ball that fits your palm. And then you're going to flatten it out and make sure there are no cracks on the edges. And place ready to fry. So the pan is heated, so is the oil. And now you're going to place them onto the pan and let them fry on a low flame so they don't burn. Let one side fry first, golden brown, then we're going to turn them over. Now we're turning them over. And letting the other side go golden brown as well. Now we're going to take them out. And let them sit on a tissue to drain out the oil. So here we have our sabudana bora. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks, bye.